video on BB guns for a while. Let me recommend a BB gun tip. If you're like, this is your first time, buy a quite small one or a big one but less powerful. And let me recommend 6mm bullets. And today we're going to be doing the test of how accurate normal BB gun bullets are.
Oh, get down, Fido.
And the Cursed series. Apparently, I don't believe this, but they go straighter. So,
Get down.
Dad. Right. And so we're going to be using a safety helmet in case it pings back, because that would really hurt. Right. This is what I look like in it. And, right, my cameraman is my dad, and he's making really annoying sounds. And this is the gun. It's pretty big. There's a clip. Let's do the normal BB gun bullets first. So you unscrew the lids. I'm only going to be doing 5 bullets.
Get down, Fido.
Dad. Guys, please leave a comment down below. What would you like me to do next? Right, Dad. I'm just going to put this on. I have become the Terminator. Right, Dad. Point at the slide. Don't sit down there. Right. I'm gonna try and shoot it at the slide. That was a miss, and I'm aiming right at the slide. Miss, miss, and I'm aiming right at the slide right now. And that was also a miss. Oh, that wasn't a miss. And that's all of them up. That was pretty inaccurate. So, I'm going to try the Cursed series, and hopefully it'll be better. And this time, only 3 bullets. Accurate, on target, tango down. Right, that's the end of the video. Leave a like and a comment down below. Guys out.